tugaruke nyuma mukatandika campaign zitakatandikire mwarabo muri za campaign mwarabo mukaruru babatera babahenda amaguru bababingo wanyu bababinga mukuzika bababingo mu majenyi konka mukibayo mugumire mwaheza mwaturetera results abantu batandika kureba amazina one by one family by family nguwarugaho kazo mu area zanye zimwa representing erizoba no shanga y'abantu bari kumanya amazima gariyoni gabaho mu Uganda ry'ekisha tukabire takubasa twenka tukabire takubasa kugambira abo bantu in our own way on radios or TVs kanchetenze ambassadors bo kuzaha door to door kandi ubwo murimo mukagukora mwebare mno. Mr. President, kutwazo mu Western Uganda tukareba enkuyanja y'abantu baturinzire tukatubashanga imihanda abandi tushanga baturinzira haza fields zese tukoreraho campaigns ni manyango kweta abantu bo witoka biho mu maju ningo kamwiha hafamu ye okamureto kamuto mukishayi ngwayija buriro umuntu uri kugamba kintu kitari hari museve mazima nobokozire go umurimo gw'amani ninyenda ngo twebaze deputy owatuyambira ka coordinating abo bantu na ambassadors bebona tugaruke twebaze na ba MPs abayisimbira ha ticket ya NUP mwebaro kwere ko bumanzi bw'amani twagiye Gisoro dusanga abantu buzuye ku nzira dusanga kabare yuzuye abantu Gisoro rakibuka ibyariyo uribuka umugore twasanzeyo sibyo buriya yakoze umurimo w'amani warakoze sha. Thank you very much. Bakuye ijana ku ijana. Oya ijana ku ijana yaranze. I really appreciate all of you. Ebigambo byanje tubiri kubasa ku explaining ekindi kugezaho kugamba. Kokani nyendanga mumanye ngo murimo gumwatandika no gw'amani. Watandika muzizi wayine musiri okatandikwa okatemente okashaye byone birimo okatemente mero nankeji bazita chat okateremzi amasinde okatandika kubyaro kalinde enjura yija no byamo yeshweka enjura ko kwijja no gendo ronde bihimba obibyara bagenzi tukatandika umurimo mutagukomye mu muhanda twine kugukora tukaguheza tikwe. So Mr. President kati tunayambala ngule tujja kola kye tusobola kyonna okulabika nga tugaziya ensalo zonna nga ne Western Uganda bw'otuuka bakugamba nti NUP everywhere nga kituufu NUP everywhere. Tuba abambi bano n'abakyala mbesigira ddala era manyi nti tebatuusizza omulimu wano we batuusizza batuuse Kaserengete era bagenda kuserengeta omulimu bakumaliriza. Sebo tweyanziza byonna era nsaba akazindalo kano kakuddize oyogereko eri abagenyi bakulwalira.
Thank you very much. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. Bantu mutwa baramsya babachira mnonga. Thank you very much for coming from Ankole where the people power. Abanyankole mweka abo mwankole people power our power Bunyoro kabaregalega abatoro people power our power abakasese people power our power Western Uganda mwena isanyo senyo okubala bamikwano jange nyo. One of the most important things for today on my side is that I wanted to see you again face to face. Badde njagala kubalabako manye oba mukyaliyo banange mukyaliyo zinange gyendi mukulike olutalo twagenda mukulonda naye lwalinga olutalo banaffe bangi nnyo nga bwe mbalabye bavuddeyo n'okugulu kumu banaffe bangi nnyo babata banaffe bangi nnyo bali mukomera ako kuli Edi Mutwe Nubian Leader Magic nga tebalina musango paka kati bali mukomera banaffe bangi nnyo bababuzizaawo bangi just before the election banji during the election, banji up to the present day. Baba buziza tetudanga mobile bako. So, twagenda mu kulonda kuno nga tukuli mateeka. Era tetulina teeka n'erimu lye twamenya. Naye abo abakutte mundu abagamba nti balwanirira democracy bo bagenda nga bagenze mu lutalo. So tubadde mu lutalo nga side eri balina mundu, balina tear gas, balina ebyambe, balina amakomera, balina Bank of Uganda, balina Electoral Commission, balina buli kimu nga bakikozesa mu bumenyi bw'amateeka. Twe nga tulina kintu kimu nga tulina mazima on our side. Pozi ne Katonda. So I'm thankful that we are meeting once again. Welcome back, friends. And congratulations. Congratulations to the people of Western Uganda. Congratulations to the people of Uganda. We won. Muzikirize mbasime. Mwebale kunesiga ne munonda ka president wa Uganda. I know you did. Mwebale mnonga kumpaka ruli. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow leaders, we went into this election knowing what we were facing. We knew, right? Actually, many of our friends were saying, let's not go into this bogus election. We know what Byabakama is going to do. People are going to vote, but he will announce otherwise. But we went into this election because in every struggle we must have a justification. He who wants justice has to go with clean hands. So, bana fe banji nyo bali bagamba, omusajja tumujjeko wadde kulonda tekunaba. Right? Nenga tubagamba no tugenda mu kulonda. Kubanga bannayuganda balina okumanya kye balwanirira. Among the things we wanted to do is first of all to open the eyes of Ugandans. So many young people were disconnected with the way they are governed. Banji nga babiyita byabufuzi tebabyenyigiramu. One of my noble duties was to open the eyes of those around me, and I know that namwe mugenda maaso nga mu openinga amaaso g'abantu abalala bangi. We are seeing more young people getting concerned and getting involved in the governance of their country. We achieved that even before we went to the election. Kubanga muntu mwakiraba mwenna nga tugenda mu kulonda nga bannayuganda baagala change, nga bannayuganda kati bamanyi kye kitegeeza okukyusa president n'okukyusa abakulembeze, nga bannayuganda bamanyi kye kitegeeza singa government ebeera answerable to the people. Ate COVID we yajja yayongera openinga amaaso g'abantu. They got to know that actually that is your business. Kuba bali bagamba no, that's politics, that's not my business. They learned that it depends on a leader whether you live well or not. It depends on the leadership whether the pandemic affects you gravely or not. We achieved that. But ladies and gentlemen, we went into this election knowing that Mr. Byabakama works for Museveni. We went into this election knowing the bias, the outright bias that was there. And I told you that we are going into this election not because we trust the Electoral Commission, but because we trust the people of Uganda. And indeed, the people of Uganda spoke and spoke loudly. However, Mr. Byabakama announced something different. Like we've been saying, this is the most fraudulent election in the history of Uganda. Kubanga abantu bagenda ne balonda, naye Byabakama yasooka kulangirira wina, then n'agenda okubala obululu. That is what happened. It was an insult to the people of Uganda. But at least we are glad that this time they could see that it is an insult to them because they had gotten involved. That was phase number 1. Like my brother Aguda was saying, and I agree with him, that we told you this is mission 2021. Why did we put this mission in 2021? We knew 10 years ago that Museveni had been president for 25 years and Ugandans were tired. 10 years ago. But in 2021, we knew that we will have achieved 1, opening the eyes of Ugandans, but 2, getting justification to demand for change. So we took that constitutional step. Netulonda, Mr. Byabakama, nalonda birala, nasalawo birala. This time we had all evidence. We have our declaration forms. At least up to 25,000 declaration forms. There's evidence everywhere. Mr. Byabakama yalangirira bira ate twalonda birala. because we've always been telling you that this is a generation that does not believe in violence. This is a generation that believes in using the law because the law is on our side. Even if so many of our friends were disagreeing with going to court, we told them that it is important that we take every step, every legal step. And that is why we went to court. Ladies and gentlemen, I know I've said this over and again, but I labor to explain it to you so that it is very clearly understood. You are leaders, you should be able to break it down for the people out there. Nabo bachi understanding nga bwe tuchi understanding tubere banji. So when we went to court, as you all watched, the Chief Justice of Uganda, the way he behaved and what he said, and when we went to court, and they blocked us from amending our petition, and yet other petitioners in the past, like Amama Mbabas in 2016, was allowed to amend it. We sensed something wrong. Two, you know every case depends on evidence. Just here alone, you are giving evidence of the election fraud. But ladies and gentlemen, unlike ever before, the Electoral Commission reported that in some on some polling stations, hundreds of them, people are turned out in 100% amount to vote. Newaffe Ugomba, waliwo polling station bagita Lwaweba. Mr. Byabakama yagamba 100% registered voters bebalonda. Nga mulimu ne family members betumanyi nti tebaliwo. Nga mulimu n'abantu abafa tulina death certificates zaabwe. So this is the kind of evidence that the Supreme Court could not allow. The Supreme Court refused to take videos of military men taking ballot papers. They refused to take evidence of police officers taking ballot papers in favor of Museveni. Nalina bagamba from the beginning tituke na Supreme Court naye twagala ebintu bibiri. Either tugenda kufunayo justice okulonda kuno bakusazeemu tuddemu okulonda okulala nga tekulimu mundu tekulimu majje ng'abantu bonna bakkirizibwa okulonda ne babala obululu nga ne internet kweri ne bagamba naye bwe tutakifunayo ekyo at least tujja kufuna opportunity oku-exposinga one keno step nayo tugiyiseeko but two nakyo kibongera okulaba nti Mr. Museveni yawamba institutions zaffe zonna zonna as a state and we achieved that. Era nabategeeza nti omusango guno tugujeeyo mu kooti ya Mr. Winyidolo era tugenda gukomyawo mu kooti ey'abantu. Ladies and gentlemen, we also completed that step, that constitutional step. Bangi mubadde mwebuuza nti kati bibeera biweddeyo. The answer is no. Biba bitandika butandisi. Oba tosobola kufuna justice mu Electoral Commission kubanga Mr. Byabakama yagezaako n'azalawa eddoboozi ly'Abannayuganda 45 million. N'azalawa eddoboozi ly'Abannayuganda more than 10 million abaavayo ne balonda. Ne tugenda mu kooti Mr. Winyidolo n'akakiiko ke ak'abalamuzi 8 nabo mu kifo ky'okuwa Abannayuganda obwenkanya mu kifo ky'okubawa justice nabo essubi ne balisazaamu nga bwe twabagamba nti at the end of the day the people of Uganda will have the last word. N'olw'ensonga eyo mikwano gyange muli bakulembeze. First njagala obbasaba mugende eno message mugituuse ku bantu. Mugituuse ku bantu yonna yonna. I really agreed with my sister from Toro